There are a lot of valuable warning signs that can show up during birth to 1 month. I know people look at the obvious, prematurity, birth trauma, but a lot of genetics can happen, or even just as something as innocent that I mentioned the other day about the theft monitor being too much on a baby's system. Knowing what to look for with your child is really important because you don't necessarily get it during the first couple of months. During the first couple of months, there tends to be really much more of a wait and see. And I would really like to stop all that because, as you can see with a lot of people that post their videos 6, 7, 8 months, a lot of this information really could have been more aggressive just at the first days of life. What's the one thing you think I hear? Is my baby okay? And I understand that we all want this magic blanket to come over and just comfort our children to make sure that they're okay. Sometimes things happen, sometimes we don't even know about. I had no idea my child was not okay. I had no idea he regressed to a 3-month level. Seeing a child one day just walk and talk and cruise down the hallway at 13 months and just see him just flop over like a marshmallow or a pillow trying to be popped up. And it really was that severe. He couldn't even roll over anymore. I thought he was sick. I thought he'd be better in a week. That being said, this Friday is a sneak peek in my new book. One of the things after the CDC came out with these new milestone charts, if you can even, to me, they're warning charts. I just was flabbergasted. I said, that's it. And so I am now developing my own birth to 12 months to start off with. The first book will be birth to 3 months. Your developmental movement stone for milestone moment, but also valuable warning signs for each division of development, including vision. And so I'm going to give a sneak peek of the warning signs that can happen during birth to 1 month with your child and see what I've been working on. It's a huge endeavor, but it's really one of a kind. It'll be the first time that you'll be able to see across the board where your child might be showing some deviations in movement or that you're truly in trouble. Right? You still have to work with your pediatrician and your professionals in your life. I get it, especially when your child has medical necessities like my son did. However, movement is movement. And that's how we learn. We learn through movement. And getting on that, that's my biggest things that I feel bad saying it, but I tell so many of my clients and the same thing with me. I wish I had a game plan. Just tell me, if you had all told me that it was bad, I get that. What's my game plan? I was just told wait and see. And I'm sure a lot of you have been told too. The only new wait and see you should have with your baby is wait and see what color their eyes are going to be. That's it. The wait and see on movement, my goal is to have a height chart, a growth chart, a movement chart as you leave the pediatrician's office. But right now, let's get it out. And I'm coming out with the first quarter, which will be birth to 3 months, and you'll get a sneak peek this Friday. So go to movementlesson.academy. The link is right there in the heading, movementlesson.academy, and sign up. This is new information that nobody's seen before because it also includes vision as well. It's really important that you attend, and I can't wait to see you. Thanks. Bye.